If you use Squarespace, you can now connect it to your Constant Contact account. In this short video, we'll go over the Squarespace integration and how it works with Constant Contact. To begin, let's go over connecting your accounts. Click Integrations and then do a search for Squarespace. Click on the Squarespace block and then click Connect. You'll then be asked to log into your Squarespace account. Select the site you'd like to authorize with Constant Contact. Allow the permissions and we'll then begin syncing your contacts. As you can see, we created segmented lists based on different contact stages. Use these lists to send engaging emails fast with hundreds of professionally designed email templates. And that's how you can use Squarespace with your Constant Contact account.